In this lesson, we read the task, find the clue word, and pick the one method that matches. Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Basically, choose the right calculation method. Lito cooks at a karinderya in Tagum City. His job says 5 trays of lumpia, 120 pesos each. Find the total cost. The numbers are ready, and the real question is which method. By the end of this lesson, you can pick the right method for any task on a job sheet or receipt, and that one choice keeps bills, pay, and orders correct. There are four methods we are going to use. Number one, add, which means puts different amounts together. Subtract takes away or compare two amounts. Multiply repeats the same amount many times, and divide shares one amount into equal parts. We also have clue words point to the method. A clue word is a word in a task that points to one method. Total and in all points to add. Left and how many more points to subtract. Each and per usually point to multiply, and split and share equally points to divide. This is the following method we are going to use for the following. Again, remember the following methods. We add, subtract, multiply, and divide using the clue words altogether, difference, product, and share equally. Let's go back to our problem a while ago. Let's choose Lito's method step by step. Number 1, read the task. 5 trays, 120 each, and find the total cost. Step 2, find the clue word. Which word points to the method? Look now. It is each. The same 120 pesos 5 times. Step 3, pick the method. The same amount many times means multiply. And for step 4, we have to calculate. 5 times 120 pesos is equal to 600 pesos. Now, for our common trap, we have here the following. Adding whatever numbers you see is a common trap. 5 plus 120 gives 125, a number that means nothing here. If that happens, it's rusty reading, not failure. So find the clue words first and then compute. Now it's your turn. A 90 pesos tip shared equally by 3 waiters. Which method and how much for each waiter? What are the clue words we use? So shared equally points to divide. So we have to divide 90 pesos by 3. So that's equal to 30 each. So each waiter gets 30 pesos. For our recap, a method is add, subtract, multiply, or divide. A clue word is the task word that points to one method. Read the task, find the clue word, and pick the one method that matches. Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. That is how the right numbers land on every job sheet you handle. Let's have a quick self-check, and we have question number 1. A receipt land says 7 event tickets at 40 pesos each. Which method finds the total cost, and what is it? Let's take a pause and answer. The answer is multiply because each means the same. 40 pesos repeats 7 times. So 7 times 40 pesos is equal to 280 pesos. I hope you got the correct answer. Question number 2. Team A packed 12 crates and Team B packed 7. How many more crates did Team A pack and which method? Think and pause. Now let's answer. Subtract. because how many more compares to amounts? So that is 12 minus 7. It will give us 5 rates. In all would mean add, but how many more means subtract. And finally, for our third question, 110 peso delivery fee is shared equally by two riders. Which method and how much does each rider pay? Let's think and pause for the final question. So the answer is divide, because shared equally splits one amount into equal parts. That's 100 peso divided by 2. That will give each rider 50 pesos each. I hope you learned something today, and let's see each other again on the next lesson.